I can sense that the item is it an ashtray? No? Someone can see the item she's holding? Yes! Uy, mas marami sumagot, maybe larger than the first one. Can you see the color? Yes! Black. Another black. Can you see the shape? Yes! Circular. When nag-isip, parang cylinder, I'm not sure. Circular, black. Okay, this is just calculated guessing. Am I right in saying, based on your reactions, I can sense that the item is it an ashtray? No? No. Mali, okay. Not an ashtray. Okay, interesting. Akala ko, parang ashtray, nag-isip ng ashtray. Huwag mo na isipin yung ashtray. Kasi, narinig ko yung tawa, parang galing ko sa babae. This item came from a girl, am I right? Yes. Yung mga thank you. Yung mga yes nyo helps me a lot. This is an accessory. A circlish bangle that you can put